Sorry guys. Fix the camera. Hi guys, welcome back to JJ Unicorn. Comment down before I get started with the video. Comment down below, smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook. How if your slime is all rubbery and not stretchy, to fix it. Go, Max. Go. Max, no. So you're going to make a little hole in
Max,
the slime.
come here.
Go, buddy.
Why is he in the house again? That's my next question.
So you're going to make a little hole in your slime. And you're going to put your activator in. And
That's going to feed everyone.
And then
What?
That's going to feed everyone.
I know, right?
pour it in. You can do this 2 or 3 times, but I'm just going to do it 2 times.
I don't want to like cook it all.
Max, go, buddy. Go, buddy. Go. No, go. This.
Peace, motherfuckers!
Would you stop?
Oh, wait, yeah, I got first.
Nice.
You're ruining it, Baba. So it's not going to do anything. It's just going to mix it up
This will be a lot easier if you go to your room.
and stuff. So, yeah. It's fine. So you're just going to poke another hole, just the same thing, and then you're going to pour a little bit more in. And you're just going to go like that. You're just going to mix that in. All it is activating it, so the other stuff that you put in, don't ruin it. So I'm going to show you the ingredients that I'm going to use. You're going to use some anti-crack hand cream, some mouthwash, some dry shampoo, and if you want, just because it's going to get a little weird and white because of the anti-crack stuff, you can add some more of your color that you choose, but I choose green because it's got a green. So, you do that, and first step is that you did that. Second step, you're going to flatten your slime.
I haven't seen one.
Jasmine, did your mom buy cream cheese when she was there?
Cottage cheese?
Cream cheese.
No. And you're just going to spray that on top. Wait a second. Spray it on top. Do that
Put it
3
around,
times.
it's a lot easier.
And you just do it on
That's
that.
way too much hairspray, damn it.
And you're going to do it again. If it's almost out, just
Legit.
and then you're done.
Headache.
Then you're just going to let it sit for 3 minutes.
I put hairspray on my hair.
Yeah, but
Dude, I can smell that.
that's what I'm saying. It's just way too much.
Would you grab
Cut this
another
out for a second.
thing for the macaroni?
Okay, guys, I'm back. And it's been 3
Well, I gotta
minutes
cook the
that
macaroni in
your
a pot
slime
before I
is
can
kind
put it.
of weird, but it's still good. Okay, after you're done with that, just set that stuff aside, and then you're gonna go for your mouthwash. You're gonna put your slime in a bowl.
What?
Okay, once you do that, you're gonna make a hole. Just go like that. And then you're gonna open this. And you're just gonna pour a teensy bit of mouthwash. And I think you can be any kind, but I got the crust. Alright. Okay. Then you're just gonna mix it in. And you can see it's becoming more stretchy and moisture. And it makes it smell better. Gonna keep mixing this. And it's tough. Still rough. So that's with anti-crack cream. And if you want, you can add more saline solution and more hairspray. Just don't put too much solution and hairspray because that can mess the time up. Okay, so that's done. So you're gonna grab your anti-crack cream. Ah! See? Ah! Okay. Your anti-crack. And then you're gonna open it. I got a fork. And you just like that. Oh, easy. That and just gonna spread it. Okay, and then that. Okay, so you're done. That in there. The units are all weird.
Here, watch the stove, please.
Where are you going?
Get your hands messy. Still good. Not real good. Now we can clean them. Just because they're loose. Mixing it. Let's see, it's forming. Make sure it's clear. Like, turn up. Keep going. You see it getting good. More stretchier. And it starts to this is how your slime should look a little bit. It's a little moisture. And that's so. Stretching fast. Now stretchy. There you go. Okay. And your slime's all better. But cut it so you cut better if you have a lame color of what? So that would be better. Yeah, that is done. And I'm just gonna grab this. Your food coloring. Then you get, if you want to, take the fork from your anti-crack cream. I want to rinse yours off, but I'm not gonna go with that. There. So you will see I got some food coloring on there, and we're just gonna put this on just like that. It's like Walmart, kind of. So I'm just gonna keep going like that. I'm just gonna keep fixing it. Ah, there we go. There. Ah, put that on your plate. Just let that sit in for a minute, guys. I'll be right back.
After you've done all of this, and every time you cross something off the way we do it, I want photographic evidence of it. Yeah. You can email, text, Facebook, whatever it is. Just cross it off, let us know.
I'm back. If you guys want to make food coloring, I require to have gloves. So you won't dye your hands, so if you gotta go to school or anything tomorrow or work, you won't have dyed hands and you'll be fine.
When we started this trip, I was a little worried. I thought,
Especially for a cool kid. You don't want anything to lose us.
how fun would this actually be? By the time I got this car, I realized
These are not my size, so we're way too
Go lay
big.
down, Jada.
it doesn't matter
Go.
where it's going. This car is great.
Okay. Here, you can grab your slime, put your dye in it, and mix the dye in with your slime. And if you want more dye, you can put it in. But I think this is enough dye. More early. Okay. So, turkey. Really good now.
This time on Roadkill, we flew all
Squishy.
the way to Pittsburgh to visit our buddy Jeff Lutz.
Okay. Now after you're done, you want to, like I do, I'm going to add a teensy bit of the coloring. Add as much as you want. I'm using a fork, so it's like you the guidance. It's like you're down somewhere. So you're just gonna keep doing that. And if you want it to be like, how I do it, I take off my glove and you just sit it down and you just push. See all of that kind of moisture. Yeah. And you let it sit for a second. And then you mix it in. Just mix your food coloring in. After you're done with all this, I advise you to clean your mess up and not you don't want to do that. And this is a detour of making a new
I have to come back and watch it.